Hi, it's Linda and Mao here from Melbourne Hand Rehab. We're here to demonstrate some hand therapy basics for happy gardening. We have 8 top tips for you.
Invest in a pair of ergonomic secateurs. We recommend a ratchet-style hand secateur which prevents you from pressing firmly and instead holds the incremental cut between each release of the handle pressure. Keep the blades sharp and choose a pair that don't open too widely. Comfy non-slip cushion grip covering is ideal. Battery or air-powered secateurs stop you from pushing too hard and make pruning a breeze. Once you begin to cut something that is about 5 mm or more, the power kicks in and finishes the cut for you. Some people find the heavier handles too large for their hands, so try before you buy. 2-handled hedge shears. We recommend investing in a pair with wooden handles. Rubber and other cushioning can get slippery when wet or if your hands sweat, so if you have a fair bit of hedge work to do, wooden handles are a better choice and will last decades. Lithium battery hedge trimmers are lightweight and ideal for people with wrist or hand pain and large hedges. Loppers with aluminium handles are the lightest and very kind on the hands. Always wear gloves when gardening. Not only will they save your skin and nails and provide some protection, they also protect you from spider bites and thorns. Finger infections from thorn incursion or bites can be very severe, occasionally requiring hospitalisation for an antibiotic drip. Every year we have a few people with very nasty finger infections that are left with very stiff fingers, requiring intensive hand therapy. Easier for everyone just to wear the gloves in the first place. Take regular rest breaks. This is hard when you love gardening and you get into the zone. Set your phone alarm to remind you. We suggest having a break from each activity after 30 minutes. Keep an eye on your wrist position when you're doing different things around the yard. Avoid awkward wrist positions by taking a different approach or moving the shoulder and arm, allowing the wrist to stay relatively straight as much as possible. When squeezing and gripping, it's especially important to avoid side bending of the wrist. Spread the load by carrying heavy pots and plants with 2 hands. Get nice and close, keep your back straight, bend the knees, and keep your wrists as neutral as possible. If you do experience pain during or after gardening, custom-made splints or braces can help you. Leather, neoprene or thermoplastic splints made especially to suit your individual situation will provide support to reduce your symptoms. Mount heavy pots onto casters so they are easier to move around. Swap your digging spade for a spade that is small and light. Being lighter means less strain to the hands, and being smaller means you are not tempted to dig large spadefuls.
We hope that these tips help you to enjoy your time in the garden. At Melbourne Hand Rehab, we provide hand therapy care and advice for people experiencing pain or injury to their hand, wrist or arm. Bye for now.